Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use the Fantasy Football Waiver Wire. First thing you're going to want to do is, of course, go to your team. And then, whenever you're on your team, here in the team menu, you're going to click on Players. And then from here, it shows here at the top, your QB, running back, your positions. And if you want a certain position you're looking for, you can go and click on this, and it'll bring up, the position you want. And then if you want to add a guy, you can click on him, click on their name. You can, see how he's been doing the past couple weeks. See if, you want to add him to your team. And then if you do, you can click on this, and it says claim. It's a little plus sign that's yellow, and it'll say claim. Now you can click on it from here, or you can click on it from right here. It also says claim. And you click on this, say you want to add him. You'll click on this. Okay, now it'll bring you to this screen, and you have to drop somebody to make room for this guy. So you're gonna go to your roster here, and you're gonna look it over, and you see a guy. Say, oh well, this guy hasn't really been producing for me. Okay, let's just get rid of him. Now, I've already made claims, so I'm not actually going to do the entire process. But if you were to drop this guy, you would click this little check mark right here, and then you'd hit Submit Roster, and then your claim will be put in for the player. And if you have a higher waiver priority, and you know your waiver priority, it says right here, waiver, I'm 9 of 10, which means I'm next to last, so if anybody 8 through 1 makes a claim for that player over me, they will get him over me because I am higher waiver priority. And that is how you use the waiver wire in fantasy football on ESPN.com. Thank you.